Hello friends, in this section we'll learn about bubble sort algorithms. First we see what is sorting. Sorting refers to the operation of rearranging the elements in the descending or ascending order. So bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithms. This sorting algorithms is a comparison based algorithms in which each pair of adjacent elements is compared and the elements are swapped if they are not in order. This algorithm is not suitable for large data sets. So this is in diagrams there is a is a array with elements. It is an unsorted array, and by using bubble sort we set the array in ascending order. So we see the algorithms. Suppose the list of numbers a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 up to a of n. The bubble sort algorithms work as first compare a of 0 to a of 1. A of 0 index a of 0 elements and elements of a of 1 is compare and arrange them in a desired order, ascending or descending, so that here a1 a of 0 is less than a of 1, that is a increasing order. Then compare a of 1 and a of 2 and arrange them so that a1 is less than a2, and then compare a of 2 and a of 3 and arrange them in a of 2 is less than a of 3. This is a continue until we compare a of n minus 1 with a of n and arrange them so that a of n minus 1 is less than a of n, that is the two last elements is compare. Observe that the step first involves n minus 1 comparisons. Suppose there is a 5 elements, the comparison is 5 minus 1, that is 4 comparison in step first. When step first is completed, we get the first largest element in a of n. This is the step first. Then step second is same as the step 1, that is repeat step first with one less comparisons. So there is a one less comparison than the step first. So there is a, suppose we compare sorted the elements of 5. So in first step there is a 4 comparisons. In step 2 there is a comparison is one less than the step first, that is there is a 3 comparisons, and after completion of steps 2 we get the second largest element which is occupy in a of n minus 1 location. This is the step 2, and step 3 is repeat the step first with fewer comparisons, and last comparison n minus 1, here compare the first two elements, that is a of 0 and a of 1, and arrange them so that a of 0 is less than a of 1. This is a simple bubble sort procedures. So we get finally sorted list. So we see the algorithms. Here data is an array with n elements. This algorithm sort the element in array data. So first step is repeat steps 2 and 3 for k. K is used for pass. K is equal to 1 to n minus 1. That is pass. First pass is start from 1 to the n minus 1. That is number of elements in the array minus 1. So second step there is a initialize pass pointer ptr, that is 1, which points to the current elements. Then step third, repeat while ptr is less than equal to n minus k, that is the first pass is execute, and in which there is a if statement is used, data of ptr is greater than data of ptr plus 1, that is next elements. If condition is true, then interchange the elements, that is data of ptr and data of ptr plus 1, interchange the elements. This is the end of if structure. It is execute when up to the while condition is true. Then ptr is incremented, and then again condition is checked and execute the if statement again. So after completion of this loop, we get the sorted list. This is a simple rhythm of bubble sort. So we see the example here. Array A contains the 6 elements. In first pass, we compare the A of 0 and A of 1, and A of 0 is greater than A of 1, so we interchange the elements. So after interchange, 1 3 7 5 9 4. Then in second, there is a compare the A of 1 and A of 2. It is already the A of 1, the value of A of 1 is less than A of 2, so there is no interchange. So we pass to the next. Then there is a compare the A of 2 and A of 3. So A of 2 is greater than A of 3, so we interchange. After interchange, we get 1 3 5 7. We interchange 5 7, then 9 4. Then again 7 9 is compare. There is no interchange, so we compare next 9 4 and interchange the elements. So after first pass, we get the first largest number in 5 index, in last index, that is 9. This is pass first. Then pass second. Here first compare A of 0 A of 1. There is no interchange. Again A of 1 A of 2. There is no interchange. Then A of 2 and A of 3. There is no interchange. And here interchange the value of A3 and A4. So we get the 1 3 5 4 7 9. That is, we get the second largest number after pass second. Here is compare 4 comparisons, and then next pass third, there is a no interchange. So this is an interchange, and after interchange 1 3, after completion of pass 3, we get the 1 3 4 5 7 9. That is, get the third largest number in n minus 3 position, that is A of 3. And then pass 4, there is a no interchange, and we get the same 1 3 4 5 7 9 and get the fourth largest number. And in pass 5, there is a one comparison, that is A of 0 and A of 1. It is already sorted, so there is a no interchange, and finally we get the sorted list 1 3 4 5 7 9. This is a bubble sort algorithm which is used for sorted the list in ascending order or descending order. Thank you, and subscribe our channel Logic Computer Institute for more videos.